Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Motor Match in Crewe. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this used Skoda Karoq SportLine. This vehicle features a 1.5 TSI petrol engine pushing out 150 PS and comes accompanied with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes finished in the solid paint colour Meteor Grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. In the front lower portion of the bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the Karoq sits on a set of 19-inch Vega anthracite alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. Up top we'll find a set of black roof rails, and towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate with a heated rear window. Located just above the rear number plate we'll find a rear view reversing camera, and this paired with a set of rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Karoq comes with an electric tailgate which is effortless to use, and behind this we'll find a very large boot area with plenty of storage space. For the rear passengers to enjoy, there's a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle, and the two outermost rear seats come with a heated function. Up top we'll find a very nice fixed glass panoramic sunroof which lets plenty of light into the vehicle. Up front, for the front passenger and the driver, we'll find some sport style front seats, and in the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. This vehicle comes with climatic air conditioning as well as 2 front heated seats. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find a comfortable armrest with some storage underneath, and the driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this used Skoda Karoq. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.